This is the world's dirtiest couch, completely covered under a thick layer of mud. I'm going to deep clean it from top to bottom, but trust me, you won't believe what I found hiding inside. Will I be able to bring this couch back to life? Let's find out. The first step is removing all the dry, cracked mud from the couch. I just use my hands for this. When you're cleaning a couch like this, two things go through your mind. How did it ever get this filthy? And will I ever get it clean again? You never know what you'll find in an old couch, but check this out. A 50 € bill. It's dirty, but hey, I'm not complaining. All right, let's get back to removing the rest of that mud. Okay, this is something I really wish I didn't find. I was so glad I had gloves on. Yuck. Let's move on. Okay, the big mud is gone, so it's time to spray on a special cleaning solution with a pump sprayer. This should help loosen the dirt that's caked on more easily. I'm starting with the back cushions, making sure they get really wet. Every single muddy part needs to get soaked. Watch how the mud gets darker when the liquid hits it. That means it's soaking in. This will make the next cleaning steps much easier. I've never cleaned a couch this dirty before. It's all about figuring out what works to get the job done. But I do know one thing. If I can clean this couch, I can clean any couch. Okay, it's all soaked now. Now it's time for the drill brush. Okay, it's finally starting to look better, but we're not there yet. The mud is really stuck on. We need the big guns now. The pressure washer. The pressure washer has almost removed all the mud. It looks like a couch again. Now it's time for one more quick spray with the pump sprayer, and then I brush everything in with the drill again, making sure the cleaning liquid gets into every spot. Now it's time for the final step. This is the extractor machine. It sprays clean water deep into the fabric, then sucks all the dirty water right back out. I go over every part, arms, cushions, everything. You'll be amazed at how much dirty, dark water comes out. Just a few more passes with the extractor, and then take a look at this. Look at how dark that water is. That all came from inside the couch. Remember how the couch looked before? This before and after is going to blow your mind. Look at it. Totally clean and bright red again. Did you enjoy this video? Give it a like and let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.